Okay. Well, Lily, come on. These are called puffball mushrooms. And they get to be they get to be very, very big. I think I showed you some pictures. But I'm monitoring these guys. I think these might have come up very recently. But I'm trying to watch them so I can harvest them before anyone else does. But they grow to about 2 feet in diameter. Buddy. Oh, about a foot, I'd say. Yeah, bigger, 2 feet. Here's another one. Where'd it go? I thought I saw it. Anyways, I gotta get up there and get Buddy. He disappeared. Come on, Lily. Well, anyways, here, real quick, I just want to tell you a little bit about them. They grow, and anyways, Michael, focus. Okay. So they have a look-alike. There is a look-alike that's called a earth ball. And the way you can tell the difference is the puffball and the earth ball are similar, but the puffball has some kind of a eroded, pockmarked face to it. And it'll be purple or dark when it gets inside, when it's cut straight open. And even when it's small, it resembles a puffball, which is non-poisonous, but it still has a yellow in it, like a yellow outline. So I'm really excited. I had some the other day, about a month or so ago, maybe 2 months, and they were delicious. Very delicious. But they're all up and down here. Well, not all up and down, but along the whole length of this little walkway or whatever. There's, like I counted 30 the other day. And gosh, they're doubling in size. I'm going to wait for them to get a little bigger, about the size of baseball. And then I'll harvest them and do a cooking video. I'm also looking for morels. Very attractive. That's a perfectly good. These are expensive. You dig? I really should keep that. Oh, well, this sure is nice quality. What about this cute little chair? It's a little muggy today.